Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to send a message to WhatsApp without saving the number on iPhone. Please watch the video to the end. Like, comment. Here we go. For this on our iOS devices, iPad or iPhone, we have to go to any browser. I go to Safari. Next the search bar we write with you, like this, Wadot. Then ME, put a slash, and write further the country code and phone number to whom we want to send an anonymous message. That is to send a message without saving the number. We have written memorize Wadot.me and a slash and press go. We automatically go to this page. Here we click Open WhatsApp. And now here we open the message. And immediately I have this contact subscribed. And you will not be subscribed. And you can send him a message. And you don't need to add this person to your contacts. That's how easy it is to do. But if you help them like this video, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye.